Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to crochet this beautiful sunflower, perfect for decorating your bag, room, or as a lovely handmade gift. For this project, you'll need 1mm yarn and a 2mm crochet hook. If you enjoy crochet tutorials, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to watch until the end. Your support gives us more motivation to create new crochet tutorials. Now, let's get started. For round 1, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. You should have 6 stitches. Great start. Keep your stitches tight and even to create a neat center. Next, for round 2, make an increase in every stitch around. You will have 12 stitches. Wonderful! Remember, an increase means making 2 single crochets into the same stitch. For round 3, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times. You should have 18 stitches. You're doing great. Try to keep the increases evenly spaced. For rounds 4 and 5, crochet 18 single crochets around in each round. These are simple rounds, so keep a steady tension and enjoy the rhythm. Next, for round 6, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times. You will have 12 stitches. Excellent! The center is now starting to close. Finally, for round 7 of the flower center, make a decrease in every stitch around. You should have 6 stitches left. Great job! Fasten off and close the center neatly. For round 7, crochet 12 single crochets around. This round keeps the petal length and gives it a nice shape. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Finally, for round 8, repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 4 times. You'll finish with 8 stitches. Wonderful. Fasten off and leave a yarn tail for attaching the petal. Repeat the same steps to make a total of 7 petals. Take your time with each one and try to keep them similar in size for a beautiful, balanced flower. You're doing a fantastic job. Now let's make the leaf. Start by chaining 20. Skip the first 7 chains, then make a slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 E, 4 G, 1 E, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and unsingle crochet. Then chain 3 and continue with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 4G, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Take your time with the special stitches to keep both sides of the leaf symmetrical. it's time to assemble your sunflower. Attach the 7 petals evenly around the flower center, then secure the leaf in place. Make sure all the pieces are firmly attached. You're almost finished. And that's it. Your beautiful crochet sunflower is complete. I hope you enjoyed making it with me. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your crochet friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until the end, your support motivates us to create more tutorials. Happy crocheting, and see you in the next video.